Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your Snapchat. Now click on your profile icon at the top left corner, and now right over here you will have an option of create public profile. Now in some cases you might not be able to see this option. So in that case what you will do is click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and now right over here just simply scroll down, and in the privacy control option you have to just simply change it to everyone. So let me show you what I mean. So use my Bitmoji avatar, choose that, and over here choose my friends. Then view my story, choose that, and over here click everyone. Then see my location. Over here just simply choose my friends, and over here just simply go through as many options that you possibly can and choose it to my friends or everyone. Just try to make it more public. And now once you're done with all of that, reset the application, and then you will be able to see create public profile option. Now all you have to do is click on create public profile, then click on get started, then click on create, and just like that your public profile is set. Now all you have to do is open the public profile, and right over here you will have the public profile. Now you can add your cover photo, you can add your stories and whatever you would like to do. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do not subscribe to our channel, and take care.